ìta fàájì àríyá Miliki Mission ayé máa mi fẹ́ fàájì làwà. kájọmá kájọmá
ẹgbẹ́ náà Yorùbá Professional Foundation darapọ̀ mọ́ ẹgbẹ́ tí gbogbo wa mọ̀ káàkiri ìlú mọ̀ọ́ká ẹgbẹ́ tí a mọ̀ sí ìlànà ọmọ Oòduà tí ó ń jẹ́ Yorùbá World Congress tẹ́lẹ̀ yẹn gbogbo àpapọ̀ gbogbo ẹgbẹ́ nílẹ̀ Yorùbá ni ó wá parapọ̀ ń sìn tó wá di ìlànà ọmọ Oòduà formerly Yorùbá World Congress. Ṣùgbọ́n tẹ bá rí ìdí tí a ṣe wá síbí ilé ní kò ń ṣe láti ja ìjàngbara nípa ti ọkọ̀ tàbí ti ìbọn, ṣùgbọ́n báyìí a fẹ́ jàjàngbara àwọn èèyàn wa nípa ti kérò kí ètò ọrọ̀ ajé wa kí ó lè ṣe kíni kí ó lè gbèrú sí ó lè rú gọ́gọ́ oríṣiríṣi èdè Yorùbá la lè lò. Ó ní inú mi ṣe máa ń dùn pé mo jọmọ Yorùbá, torí tí kò bá gbà báyìí á gbà báyìí, ibi bá ti ẹ̀dẹ̀ wù kó gbà ibì kan láṣẹ kíni lájá sí. A nígbàgbọ́ pé gbogbo àwọn èèyàn tí ó wà ń bí ọmọ Yorùbá ni wá. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ a fẹ́ pé kí a ní òmúlùmálà níbí báyìí. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹni tí ò bá ti ń ṣe ọmọ Yorùbá tí ó bá wà ń bí
àbáwọ̀ ẹ̀mọ́ sílẹ̀ Yorùbá.
irọ́ kò sáyé ẹ̀ kò sáyé ẹni tèmi rò pé ó lẹ́gbàá àti wà ń bí tó bá jóbìnrin tó fẹ́ wa nílẹ̀ Yorùbá ẹmọ̀ kó ti dára wa báyìí lọ́rọ́ ní tí ewé bá pẹ́ lára ọṣẹ òun náà dọṣẹ. So àwọn obìnrin ló láǹfààní láti ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ bó táwọn ọkùnrin ó gbọ́dọ̀ jẹ́ ọmọ Yorùbá pọ́nbélé yálà ní apá ẹsẹ̀ ti bàbá ni àbí ti ìyá, ó ṣàgbọ́dọ̀ lẹ́jẹ̀ Yorùbá lára. Ìdí ni pé ó níbi tá ń lọ ọdẹ ní Yorùbá ní tíṣẹ́ ò bá iṣẹ́ ìdédé ṣẹ́ ètò wà ìlànà wà ibi tá ń lọ wà. Ó dẹ̀dà ipọ́ náà jìn ní ọ̀nà òjì ibi tó ti máa bẹ̀rẹ̀ ní eléyìí ibi tá ń yà ló pọ̀ kò jìnnà rárá. Torí náà mo kí wa káàbọ̀ sí ètò tí a fẹ́ bẹ̀rẹ̀ ní ọjọ́ òní. Èyí kọ́ ni àkọ́kọ́ rú ẹ̀ ní bíbáyìí tí a máa kọ́kọ́ ṣe. Ẹlẹ́ẹ̀kejì lélẹ̀ àkọ́kọ́ rú ẹ̀ wáyé ní oṣù tó kọjá. Ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ èèyàn tó dẹ̀ wá síbí tó jàǹfààní ẹ̀ nínú wọn dùn, kódà ó wù wọ́n bíi pé kán tún wá fún tẹ́lẹ̀ yìí. Ṣùgbọ́n ok ǹjẹ́ a ní èèyàn tó jàǹfààní. Ẹ ṣeun, ẹ káàbọ̀ mà, ẹ ṣeun. Ètò tí a ṣe nígbà náà lọ́hùn ni títí ẹ̀rọ ìmúnáwá tí a ń pè ní solar àti títí smarto ní òmò òyìnbó ẹ̀ ní òmò Yorùbá ẹ̀ ẹni tó bá lè yá mi ní Yorùbá smarto.
Ìlò ṣì gidi láti ṣe ohun mèremère.
Ibi tí ṣì gidi ti wá jáde ń bẹ̀ torí pé gẹ́gẹ́ bí wọ́n ṣe sọ yẹn bẹ́ẹ̀ náà ní ṣe jẹ́ mo tó wọn lẹ́sẹ̀ tán ṣì gidi ṣe agbátẹrù ètò yìí torí pé wọ́n tún dùn àti pé kí àwọn ọmọ ènìyàn kí wọ́n ní ipa àti agbára láti lè dá nǹkan ṣe láyé ara wọn, yẹn tá à ń pè ní human capital development. Òun náà ṣe gbétò ìkàlẹ̀ lágbára náà fún gbogbo èèyàn tí ó bá ń kópa níbí báyìí. Ètò tún wà fún oúnjẹ ọ̀fẹ́ ní ọ̀sán fún gbogbo wa. Ẹ jẹ́ ká fún wọn ní àtẹ́wọ́ o. Ilé ibi tí a wà yìí là ń pè ní ilé Oòduà. Mi ò dẹ̀ fẹ́ kẹ́nikẹ́ni tó bá wà bí máa ṣe bí àjèjì, torí tó bá jọmọ Oòduà tó dẹ̀ wà nílé Oòduà ilé ló ṣe kí ni ilé ló wà yẹn. Ṣùgbọ́n nítorí pé àkọ́kọ́ wa láti wá sí irú bíbà yìí ni a lè fẹ́ máa ṣe bí pé tàbá kọ́kọ́ débì kan ojú á máa sì wá. inú mi dẹ̀ dùn pé arákùnrin tí wọ́n jẹ́ olùtukọ̀ wọn wá síbí pé ọ̀dọ́ náà làwọn láìpẹ́ láì jìnnà máa tó máa rí àwọn bàbá àṣàlẹ̀ wa náà tán máa yọjú síbí lénìí fún ìbẹ̀rẹ̀ ètò náà tí a bá ṣe máa bẹ̀rẹ̀ ṣùgbọ́n atótónu pọ̀ lénìí gẹ́gẹ́ bí ọjọ́ kìíní tó bá máa fi di ọ̀la a máa ṣe ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ nǹkan tá à ń pè ní practical lórí advanced technology using Excel àti digital marketing. Ṣùgbọ́n nǹkan kan tí mo fẹ́ bẹ̀ wá fún ni pé mo fẹ́ kí gbogbo wa tí a bá wà bí kí a lo ìbòmú wa. Kí ká má bàa jìyà, Yorùbá ní ká má bàa jìyà la ṣe ń ṣe kí ni? Mo mọ ìtàn èèyàn kan tí kò mọ mọ́tò wà tó gba driver tí driver ẹ̀ wà gúnlẹ̀ sórí Third Mainland Bridge tó sọ kí ìlú láyà. Irú nǹkan bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn kò ń ṣe nǹkan tó dáa. Torí ọjọ́ tá kàńtáǹtì multinational company tá à ń lérò tó bá máa ju kí ìwà lùwà láyà pé mi ò bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe àkáǹtì ẹ mọ́ àwa náà kàn ṣe kí ni àmọ́ ṣe nǹkan wa lọ títí tá a máa fi rí ẹlòmíì nǹkan tó fẹ́ nìyẹn ṣùgbọ́n ẹlòmíì náà fẹ́ wò ó pé èmi gan mo fẹ́ ṣe àkáǹtáǹtì PZ and olóyìnbó máa ní no knowledge is a waste so but ìdí tí inú mi fi dùn ní pé àwọn nǹkan tí a fẹ́ ṣíjú wa sí lé bẹ̀rẹ̀ láti èní lọ títí di ọjọ́ Jímọ̀ ó jẹ́ àwọn nǹkan tí a máa nílò lọ́pọ̀lọpọ̀ ẹlòmíì fúnra ẹ̀ mo ti wà lórí ayélujára tí wọ́n ń béèrè fún ẹni tó mọ̀ pa kínní ní ìlú New Zealand ibi táyé dẹ̀ ti lajú dé ìbáyìí community town whichever way nítorí pé ayé ti ṣe kíni ó ti lu jára kò sí pé nǹkan kan láyé àtijọ́ mo rántí ìgbà táwa wà secondary school etí la máa fi gbọ́n pé wọ́n ń ṣe nǹkan báyìí lóyìnbó lẹ́yìn 10 years láṣẹ máa dé Nàìjíríà bí mo rántí pé ìgbà kan gbé VCD dé ó ní nǹkan tá à ń lò gbà yẹn téèpù àwa fọwọ́ yí báyìí ẹ̀kan nígbà kan pé ara àǹfààní tí irú nǹkan ètò báyìí wà fún ní pé tẹ bá wò ó lápá apọ̀tá dáwà nílẹ̀ Nàìjíríà yìí àbí mo parọ́ apọ̀ lóríṣiríṣi Fúlàní Haúsá Tífí Ìgalà gbogbo oríṣiríṣiríṣi ṣùgbọ́n tẹ bá wòye dáadáa tẹ bá wo United Kingdom USA àtàwọn ìlú ńláńlá káàkiri tó bá sọ pé ọmọ Nàìjíríà kan ló yàn sípò ńlá kan bẹ̀ ìsídà kó jẹ́ Yorùbá àbí kó jẹ́ Ìgbò tẹ bá ní tí ò bá rí ẹ lè sọ pé mo parọ́ ẹlẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́ rọ̀ ìsídà kó jẹ́ Yorùbá àbí Ìgbò ó ṣàgùdọ̀ jẹ́ Southern Nigeria tí ò bá tí ẹ ń ṣe Yorùbá tí ò bá ń ṣe Ìgbò á jẹ́ Southern Nigeria àwa rí pé àwọn kan nílẹ̀ Nàìjíríà táwọn yìí nǹkan tó mọ̀ ní kán máa jagun tiwọn ṣùgbọ́n kan táwa fẹ́ mọ̀ ní ká máa fi kún ọpọlọ tiwa torí olóyìnbó ní pen is what mightier than sword nǹkan tó gbé wa wá síbí nìyẹn we want our pen our brain to be mightier than our sword tásìkò bá tó a máa rí pé nǹkan tí yóò bá ń pinnu láti ṣe nǹkan tó láǹfààní púpọ̀ ní fún wa àti ọjọ́ ọ̀la àwọn ọmọ wa mo dẹ̀ dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ Ọlọ́run mo dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ bàbá wa Awólọ́wọ̀ torí ẹ̀ mọ inú mi ṣe ń dùn pé mo jọmọ Yorùbá tó fún wa láǹfààní pé a ní àwọn èèyàn tí wọ́n lóye ìwé nínú ẹbí kankan ìgbà tí bàbá yẹn ní dream yẹn ó wò pé ẹbí kan ó kéré tán èèyàn kan gbúdọ̀ ṣe kí ni kàwé kó mọ nǹkan bá ṣe ń ṣe àròpọ̀ àti ìṣirò àti gbogbo ẹ̀ nínú ẹbí kan ṣùgbọ́n lẹ́ni ǹjẹ́ ó lẹ́bí nílẹ̀ Yorùbá tí ò ní graduate ǹjẹ́ ó lẹ́bí tẹ bá wa síta a máa sponsor ẹbí ń pé ẹbí yìí kò tiẹ̀ sí graduate Yorùbá ti kọjá gbogbo yẹn a ti wá wò pé ok a ti ní graduate yet ìyà sì ń jẹ wá now the next step ta fẹ́ ṣe ni pé èèyàn kan nu ẹbí kan gbúdọ̀ jẹni tó ní owó ọ̀kan bá lówó mu ọ̀dọ̀ Yorùbá máa ń ní pé olówó nítorí a fẹ́ kí gbogbo èèyàn lóye tó bá máa fi di Friday torí wọ́n máa yẹ̀ wá wò lórí nǹkan tá a bá kọ́ o wọ́n máa yẹ̀ wá wò kò ń ṣe pé a kàn fẹ́ wá ṣe májíìkì ń bíbà ẹ̀ àwọn bàbá wa tó ń bọ̀ wá ṣe ìfilọ́lẹ̀ wọ́n fẹ́ ṣe kí wọ́n á lè sọ bóyá àárín wọn náà tó máa wò pé àkọ́dẹ̀ níbi kọ́ wọn mọ́ ẹ má jẹ́ parọ́ tán yìí lára àwọn tó wá fún practical class yìí tó kọjá from both sides both smarto and solar wọ́n ti ń gbaṣẹ́ nípasẹ̀ ìlànà ọmọ ìlú ẹgbẹ́ pàtẹ́wọ́. mi ò parọ́ kò ń ṣàsọdùn o lára àwọn tó wà bí wọ́n parọ́ mà wọ́n ti ń gbaṣẹ́ ìjọba ṣe ní December barely 3 weeks ago wọ́n ti ń gbaṣẹ́ èmi ò wá sọ pé nítorí pé a ti wá síbi ìsìn pa máa gbaṣẹ́ náà orí ló dẹ̀ mọ̀ yẹn ṣùgbọ́n nǹkan tó jà jù ní pé a mọ nǹkan tá à ń ṣe ń bí a mọ bí tá à ń lọ ẹ̀yin ni kẹ́ ṣe kí ni kẹ́ gbéra kẹ́ máa bá wa lọ orúkọ tèmi lẹ́ẹ̀kan sí ni Adébáyọ̀ Ayọ̀dèjì mo jẹ́ ọmọ bíbí ìlú Ìlógbò Èkìtì ní ìpínlẹ̀ Èkìtì ẹ ṣeun.
Yorùbá tó jọmọ́rọ́ dìde mi lọ àti ìyàwó lè tó àmàbíyàn. I'm the Media and Communications Secretary for Ìlànà Ọmọ Odùduwà worldwide and also the convener of the Yoruba Professionals Foundation. Ìlànà Ọmọ Odùduwà is a Yoruba self-determination group. It's an umbrella group of Yoruba socio-cultural and self-determination groups that believe that Yoruba should have self-determination. There are many umbrella bodies. There are many people calling themselves umbrella bodies, but we have an objective in Ìlànà Ọmọ Odùduwà. Ìlànà Ọmọ Odùduwà is for self-determination for Yoruba land. If they cannot give us our own republic, then they should give us the self-determination we had in the First Republic, where the Yorubas, they were running their businesses, we manage our roads, we manage our schools, we manage our businesses, infrastructures, we manage everything. The federal government under Tafawa Balewa was always saddled with the responsibility of managing foreign relations, printing and meeting the CBN, and defense, the military, then the police, and what else? So that's what the federal government then, the central government then, was gave it. Others are managed, so the states then, the regions then were still states then, and regions then were strong. We saw what the wonders Awolowo did with our cocoa, which the number of industries himself and his lieutenants, the infrastructures in Lagos today, the majority of them were by Jakode initiatives. The Lagos State Polytechnic, Lagos State University, colleges of education, the allowance of material, the funds of us, virtually everything. If you were born in Lagos or you read history, you read history, you understand what I'm saying. You saw the wonders Adekunle Ajayi did in Ondo State. Ondo State University of Ado-Ekiti, then now same university, the Fofiwa Polytechnic, the industries Ajayi built. So those are so we in Ìlànà Ọmọ Odùduwà, we believe we should, if they cannot allow that to happen, okay, let's go on our way. So that is a self-determination campaign we have. So as a group of professionals, which I convene, we are a member of the Yoruba Professionals Foundation, is a member of Ìlànà Ọmọ Odùduwà. Like many other groups, there are tens and hundreds of groups registered under Ìlànà Ọmọ Odùduwà. So in the first edition we did here, like Mr. Deji said, some of the people, so that's a training from 100. So and the implication is that once you are a member of YPF, you are a member of Ìlànà. Once you are in the YPF, you are a member of Ìlànà. You get. So that's just it. So we are like so So in my come on waste time around. So I think I should properly introduce him once again. He's a member of the trustees of Board of Trustees of Yoruba Professionals Foundation, and he's still presently acting as our Director of Media and Communications for the Yoruba Professionals Foundation. Others are not here. When they come, they will introduce Barrister Olada Bokayode, the member of the trustee, Samuel Adeloro, our organizing secretary, says on his way. The leader of the Ilana Moduduwa is this Baba, Emeritus Professor Bansi Akintoye. He was the senator in the Second Republic. Second Republic were the people that were in National Assembly between 1979 and 1983. So he's from Agbegeti. He's an emeritus professor of history from OAU, later to United States. He taught African studies and development in several universities in the United States for 25 years. He's back home now to join us. He's 86 years old, you can imagine. And he's still interested in developing the youth. He has left, he's no longer in partisan politics. He's left partisan politics in the Buhari Junta of 1984. So he's no longer involved in partisan politics. His goal is to encourage people like us, a group of professionals, and now we can develop the younger generation. You know what we are doing is in line with the philosophy of Awolowo. If you know what Awolowo did then, the Fulanis, they were majorly concerned with power. Up to now, power. Awolowo was building the younger generation. Education. Yes. Education. Now, when today, now long, the power is not music of the so our Yoruba the media advisor, economic advisor. They will come down the south and go to, maybe you've heard of Joe Biden, the president-elect of the United States, appointing youth Nigerians. In Britain, there are many Nigerians in the British Parliament. One of them is the daughter of one of our leaders, Dr. Adegoke Kemi Badnoch. Is the leader of, his father is the chairman of Voice of Reason. Voice of Reason is one of the Yoruba leading groups. It's a group that has the likes of Baba Elisade. All of you know Elisade Motors. Olologogoku, the owner of Eko Hospital. That's his father. I'm sorry to say, how many Hausa friends? To me, the real Hausa man is very honest and straightforward than an average Yoruba man. I'm sorry. An average Hausa man. So I'm not an bigot. You understand me? But this time around, we are talking about our future. Now, this how many Hausa mélòó or Fulani mélòó lẹ gbọ́ pé David Cameron àbí Boris Johnson who appoint Ofula permit tó bá ṣe Yorùbá wọn ṣe they are from the south. US Hausa mélòó lẹ gbọ́ pé ó èdè agency kan ní US. Ọwọ́ náà ni that is what Awolowo designed. So but I discovered the enjoyment I put in today now. You see the Igbos taking over commerce and industry in Lagos. No. I want to work collecting Lori Junction. We need to stop this. So I formed Yoruba Professionals Foundation for a purpose to develop knowledge-based entrepreneurship. What is knowledge-based entrepreneurship? We mean sciences, technology, and innovation. Me, I read political science in school. I think that certificate in College of Education in Kerry, I think that certificate here. I think Nigeria University, I think that certificate here. University of Lagos, I think that certificate here. When I was to start my doctorate degree in Babcock University, I didn't even go there with. I only sent transcript to them. So you get. So innovation will be job. So that is the trend. If you are not me, I'm not a scientist, not a technologist, but innovation. So that is what Yoruba Professionals Foundation starts from. That's why when we were to started with solar technology and smart homes. Smart homes is IT security now. For instance, now you can be here. I can be here and use my phone. Okay, they are monitor my money. I should travel a lot by day. Once there is internet network. Mama will only phone me. As is No, àwọn Dangote gbogbo àwọn bó ṣe monitor trust wọn they see as you are driving they monitor it wọ́n ti ní tracker fún un as a like Jumoke now ọmọ ẹ̀ ó wà nínú yàrá pẹ̀lú náà nílé ó wà lọ́fíìsì wọ́n máa monitor lórí fún everything they do quite close gbogbo kan tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ sí tó lóun ẹ̀ you be watching so it was total technology then solar mo ní solar wà ní àmì rẹ̀ mo rí náà gbèsè because aunty Toyin was training them she said again today so knowledge based so then our second objective is promoting agriculture and food security today now so any little issue tó bá ṣẹlẹ̀ ní north ibi oúnjẹ àwọn bíbá yìí àbí
iṣẹ́ àdìyànjẹ ilé wa
so kòkó yẹ àgbẹ̀ ní Awólọ́wọ̀ fi build the western region there kí ló wá ṣẹlẹ̀ everybody àwọn youth wa ń gbówó orí àǹkọ̀kadà ṣe conductor why tí ó bá ti ṣiṣẹ́ lé yahoo all those things as in nǹkan tó wà báyìí àwọn sugar daddy as in see those things we need to engage ourselves so and last and third one is promoting investment potentials in Yoruba. In 2017 I was in Akure and to consult for Ondo State Development and Ondo State Development and Investment Promotion Agency, ODIPA. Which one Ondo State? Okay, and I know you are from where? Okay, I know one fellow from. Okay, Ondo State. I tried if you go with Ondo, you have internet, the hidden wealth of the nation. I developed the content. Ondo, the hidden wealth of the nation. The governor, so the following day when we were doing the official inauguration of ODIPA, Governor Akeredolu said he didn't read it. If all of his friends in Canada read it and sent it to him, he now referred to the story. Ondo alone can feed Yoruba land. Ondo alone can feed Yoruba land. It's the hidden wealth of Nigeria.
We still have a country, and that country is called Nigeria. Though I don't agree with that. But you see, actually the best thing that will happen to Nigeria is that all its components, all the ethnic groups to merge and become a true federation where everybody is free under the sky. You understand? The question of the culture, the language, all these other paraphernalia of they are just part of the whole baggage. The most important thing is that wherever you are and you are in Nigeria, you can settle there and fulfill yourself completely. That should be it. And that was the idea. But you see, there's nothing worse than fear. When people are afraid, they go into all kinds of strange things. When you are free of fear, the sky is the limit. You understand? And by all means, I wish Nigeria would prosper and accommodate all its components. And that was the way it was meant to be. But as I said earlier on, I said all our problems started with the military taking over power. And as in 1966, and as you know, any army of occupation, what does it do? It just goes there to go on a rampage, steal, kill, and destroy. I will say that one anyway. I've already said it, even to many of my military friends. Actually, at the time, I started my career because I was forced to go to Ilorin. I said Ilorin to Kaduna. I taught as a lecturer at the NDA. That's how I started before I came into the university. I was very rare. I was a rare commodity then. So they literally forced me to go to the NDA. It was just coming late. And I have many military friends. And I always said that they were the cause of our problems. So to Ademo, our friend, who is a Fulani, of course you're very much welcome.
Thank you so much, sir.
That's true. And the Fulani have been the main beneficiary of the goodies in Nigeria. I'm sure you know that.
Yes, sir.
I'm sure as a Fulani, the sky is the limit for you. Right?
It's not welcome.
Why it's welcome? It's a Yoruba. It's a Yoruba
now. Never deceive your friend again that you are.
So clearly, ladies and gentlemen, make friends across the ethnic barriers. And there are opportunities. We don't need to compete. Actually, we are having a new technology. IT is a world that will expand for a long, long time to come. There will be opportunities. What are the major things that we need? Food security, security of your life and limb, everything, culture, everything. Everybody to grow. And where there are opportunities, you can expand as far as you can go. The living example, though they are having their own problems now, of modern federation, that is the American experience, which started in the 18th century. Right? And that is supposed to show they are together. Their institutions have grown. And that is why Trump, in spite of his excesses, he could not really break everything, because they were not predicating on human types, on individuals. They were working with institutions. And that's what they're going to do to him this week. That is, as an individual, it doesn't matter. You may have all the power, but you'll be contained by the institutions. We should work towards consolidating our institutions and making sure that everybody has a space under the sun to grow. Every young person should be able to do his best. And look at it, your most productive age is now, between age 18 and latest 45, not 60. I've already passed my productive age long ago. But by 45, that's when you are really productive. And the real tragedy of this country is that is in that same, what you call creative arc, most of you are not really expressing yourselves.
The objective of the Ilana Omo Yoruba is self-determination for Yorubas. To say it in Koko, the Yorubas have been in the forefront of development in this nation. But unfortunately, we have been rubbish very badly over the years, to the extent that the people in power, militias who are in power, have made it very hard for Yorubas to survive. It's like they are determined to wreck this nation, but preserve only the part that concerns them, that is the northern part of this nation. So the Yoruba people are thinking that if that scenario eventually rolls out, we should not be left mouth agape, not knowing what the next to do. That's why the preparation now is against such a possibility. And we are gearing up very hard to achieve that. Ilana Yoruba is determined to have self-determination for the Yorubas. Hope that answers your question.
Right.